I have already demonstrated how to add elements in the first place. So this is the sum of all the elements. Now let me introduce a column called as community service, CSS, community social service, right? And Jack has put in 4 hours of community service. Me has put in 2 hours of community service. Selena has put in 1 hour of community service. Jason 5 hours of community service. Jasnath 2 hours of community service. Now for each hour, let us imagine they are getting a score. Okay, score for CSS. They are getting a CSS score. So for each hour, they would have, say, 10 points or say 2 points. I say instead of 10 points, let me give 2 points. That's fair enough. So this is going to be place equal to, you can open a parenthesis if you want. So I'm going to take this element or this content in K9, and I'm going to multiply it with 2, close the parenthesis, and give enter. So what am I doing here? I'm demonstrating how to multiply contents. So that is the next operation. So I click enter. Now you can simply pull it down. You will get 4, 2, 5, 10 and 4. That's perfectly correct. Now what we need to do is, these are all points, right? Maybe we can directly sum it up for this particular example. So I can say total score TS. Now TS is going to be, this is equal to, I'm going to add this score to the percentage. So you can either start with the parenthesis, select the cell, and then place the plus sign, and then place the elements in this cell, and then close the parenthesis, click enter. So 68.75 is added, or 8 is added to 68.75, you get that value. So this is the summation, and this is the information that we get, the content. So it's perfectly correct. So if I were to click on this and see it in the formula, so I can see that J13 is added with L13, so that is fine.